Yeah, good morning everybody. We are continuing with the chapter microorganisms and today's topic is harmful microorganisms. Okay. So harmful microorganisms are friend and foe both. So we are going to discuss here harmful microorganisms. Harmful microorganisms are said to be pathogens. Pathogens. Okay. If we are talking about harmful microorganisms, we will say pathogens. Okay. So pathogens are disease causing microorganisms in so many ways. Okay. So if we talk about disease causing microbes, disease causing microbes or microorganisms. Okay. The first topic is disease causing microorganisms. So the microorganism which causes disease known as microbial disease. Okay. Microbial disease, and these disease can spread from one person to another person. Microbial disease can spread from one person कैसा sick person, okay, from a sick person to a healthy person, okay, to a healthy person, okay. So microbial disease means disease causing by the microbes that can spread from a sick person to a healthy person body. And that type of disease which can spread from one person to another person, these types of disease are called communicable diseases. Communicable diseases. Okay. The disease which can spread from one person to another person, that is said to be communicable disease. Okay. Now the disease which cannot be spread from one person to another person, that is type of disease called non-communicable disease. Of the communicable disease example जैसे common cold है, cold can spread. आपके smallpox, chickenpox, tuberculosis, these are the disease which can spread. Now the disease can spread from one person to another person in so many ways. There are so many ways through which the disease can spread, like air, water, okay, food, physical contact, okay. Air, if somebody is sneezing or coughing in the air, then the microorganisms, pathogens we call them, it spread in the air, and the person who is healthy is breathing in, then the microbes can enter in his or her body and causes disease. Causes the same disease like cold, okay. Water, if we are drinking contaminated water, so there are the disease which can cause by the water, that is such as cholera, okay. Food, if you are eating the unhealthy food, unhealthy food means let's say a sick person is eating the food, and then the food which is left over you are eating that, so you can be suffer from the disease. Physical contact, if you are having any physical contact, physically if you are involved with your opposite sex, then we can have any disease. These diseases are said to be sexual transmitted disease, and one of the disease is said to be AIDS. This disease is caused by virus. Okay. The next is the carriers. What is carrier? Carrier means a animal which can carry the disease from a sick person to a healthy person body. Carrier means any animal, anything, and thing means animal, a living organism which carry the disease from a sick person to a healthy person body. For an example, housefly, or you can say mosquito. Okay. So if we talk about mosquito or housefly sit on the dirty places such as street or any dirt place and carry the microbes from there and sit on our food. Then definitely our food will get spoiled and we can have diseases. Mosquito, you might know that Anopheles mosquito, a female Anopheles mosquito, carry the disease. Which disease? Disease causing microbes, means pathogens, that is protozoa. Protozoa, it carries the protozoa when it take the blood from the sick person. If the person is suffering from malaria, it will take the protozoans which causes disease from that sick person, and when it's sick to the healthy person, it can transfer that protozoan to the healthy person body, and that person will also suffer from malaria. So these are what carrier. We can also the carrier. We can, the human being also the can carrier, that as we are suffering from coronavirus. So if one person is infected, and if it comes in the contact with another person, then the another person can have the virus. So we are also a carrier. Okay, thank you.